The resource on the website that teachers, elementary through high school, might find useful is under the education, going to teens, or you can also access this page through NGA Kids, is to go down to the video tour. And what this resource actually is are very short 2.5-minute videos about some of the notable works in the museum's collection. So we can scroll down and see some of the examples. If there is an artwork that may be relevant for something that you're teaching in your classroom, the accompanying video might be useful for you. We can see that they've got a video here on Vincent van Gogh's self-portrait.
Look closely at this self-portrait. What clues tell us about the subject? Start with his clothing. This man wears a blue painter's smock over his white shirt. And do you see that he holds several paintbrushes while gripping a palette covered with blobs of yellow, blue, green, and pink paint? You are looking at Vincent van Gogh, painting himself as an artist. Van Gogh is known for his unique style of painting with energetic brushstrokes. He made each brushstroke visible, as opposed to blending or smoothing them together. Look for the short, squiggly lines that make up his beard and hair. The longer, rhythmic strokes on his clothing. And the flame-like strokes of paint around his head that seem to make the whole background pulse. Van Gogh was also known for using intense colors. He said, "Instead of trying to reproduce what I have before my eyes, I use color to express myself forcibly."
I think these videos are a very nice addition to the resources about the permanent collection of the museum, and I think that they would be useful for brief introductions in the classroom. This one could be used on a lesson about self-portraiture and just give students another insight from a different type of media, film, to be able to hook them and inspire them on whatever lesson you may be teaching. Those were the highlights of what I found on the National Gallery of Art website. To review, they were the highlights in the collection, the current exhibitions, and under education, I would say the teachers, the NGA Kids for the interactive apps, the opportunities for teens, and the learning resources were the most important and useful tabs, and the films for children and teens if you would like to use some of those videos in your classroom. Thank you so much for watching my presentation, and good luck with the rest of the course.